The purpose of this video is to help you open and view SD and scene files downloaded from the Marine Scotland interactive web pages hosted on the Scottish Government website. In order to view the SD and scene files, you will need to download iView4D. Links to this are available also on the Marine Scotland interactive web pages. I've already downloaded the software, iView4D, and the files. There they are. And I've stored them on my hard drive on a folder, or in a folder called Marine Scotland Interactive Demonstration. The software is easy to use. File, open, navigate to the file that you want to load into the software. I'm going to use Pentland Firth 2009 2 meters cubed. This is a large file, it's about 700 megabytes, so it takes a few seconds just to open. Click on it, click open. And there it is. That's the file brought into the software. The first thing that I would normally do is change the exaggeration from 6 to 1 and press return on your keypad. You can navigate using a touchpad on a laptop, or you can use a 3-button mouse. The 3-button mouse I think is easier. What you're able to do is to, by left clicking on the screen, I can move the mouse up and down. It changes the pitch at which I look at the map. I can click on the screen and move it from left to right or right to left and rotate the map around. And I can use the track wheel to zoom in and zoom out. And at any time I can go back to camera, hit reset, and it takes me back to the default image of the data that's been uploaded into the software. Now, I can change the view, I can take the bounds off, that's removing the grey area behind the map, and I can also take off the side menu by hitting Datasets. And you're left then with the bathymetric map floating on a black background. The scale is also represented by these axes. You can see it goes from 500 meters to 5,000 meters to 5,000 meters on this side, so there's a distance of 10 kilometers, and from the surface up to here is a further 5 kilometers. Using the 3-button mouse, I can right-click, and it repositions the map relative to the intersection of the axes. I can then zoom in on that point, and the real detail of the bathymetry then starts to come through. Once I've zoomed in, I can change the angle at which I look at the map by moving the cursor left or right or up and down. Also worth noting is down in the bottom left hand corner are the coordinates, x, y, z coordinates. X and y gives the position of the cursor, whilst the z coordinate gives the depth at the location of the cursor at that time. So at the moment it's 71 meters and 61 centimeters, and you can see as I move it around, the depth changes. Okay, right, I'm going to reset the camera, and I'm going to open up the bounds and the data sets again. Right, now I'm going to open up a scene file. So I go to open, and this time I'm going to navigate to Gully, south of South Ronaldsay, 2009. Left click that, click open, and you can see that this is a snapshot of the previous map. But what we're able to do this time is to record or play a recorded video or fly through over the bathymetry. And you can see along the bottom we have a time bar. This tells you how long the video has been playing for. There's the frame rate. There's the play button, and there's also a time button here, and if you hit loop, what will happen is as soon as the video has finished playing, it'll start all over again, which is quite useful. To play the video, press the play button, and off the video starts, and you start to fly over the bathymetry of the Pentland Firth. This video is a few minutes long, so I'm just going to stop it there. Hit camera, hit reset camera, and in order to come out of the software, it's File and press Exit. And that's the end of the introduction to opening and viewing SD and scene files in iView